Let's come back to something from the last lecture. Data and insight are not the same thing. Data is what your survey collects. Insight is what you do with it. A business can drown in survey responses and still have no idea what to do next because insight requires interpretation, not just collection. Here's a concrete example. Let's say a fictional company called All the Shoes has just launched a new product called Fancy Shoe. They run a survey and discover that 80% of respondents have never heard of it. Well, that's data. The insight is, the first priority has to be awareness, not brand image work, not loyalty campaigns, not premium positioning. None of those matter if customers don't know that the product exists. That one insight tells you exactly where to spend next. Insight is when the data points to a decision. When you can look at results and say, because of this, we're going to do that. That's only possible if the research was designed well from the start, with a clear question, the right method, and survey questions that actually connect to the decision at hand. Customer behavior is messy. People say one thing and do another. As the Moskowitz-Prego example from the last lecture showed, research doesn't eliminate uncertainty, but a well-designed research reduces it significantly. And the difference between a business that makes decisions based on real insight and one that makes decisions based on assumptions or poorly designed data is over time enormous. So here's something I want you to think about the next time you fill out a survey. As a customer or as a student anywhere, ask yourself, is this a well-designed question? Is it specific? Is it leading me towards an answer? Is it asking two things at once? And what decision do you think this survey is trying to inform? Because once you can read a survey critically, you'll be much better designer of them and a much more skeptical consumer of the data that they produce.